So it's about midnight on Sunday and we have a little bit of an emergency going on. My little kitten, I just got this guy yesterday. My little kitten, he got in behind the toilet, somehow behind there, and there's an entry that goes in and there's a wall. And in this wall there's a hole in it. And he stuck his head in the hole and now we can't get him out because he can't seem to pull his head out of the hole. And he's just sitting back there and there's some type of pipe sitting here so he can only move his body like in between both sides and his head's just stuck in this pipe. And I don't know what to do. I don't know how to get him out. Okay, let's see if I can get in here. It's like that, the bolt. I just can't seem to turn it.
Even me, I'm trying. I can't fucking turn those things.
We can't turn them.
So here's the problem. On the side of the toilet, there's no quick and easy way to access the screws. The screws are right there. So, and the problem is I try to reach my hand in. I can barely reach my hand in. I've got small hands. And when I try to turn it, it gets stopped at a certain point, so I can't turn it anymore.
Okay, so this is crazy. Emergency here on a Sunday night to remove a toilet. So thanks to this guy, the toilet from Mountain Plumbing. What's your name again?
Eric.
Eric? So this cat, this kitten, has been stuck in the structure of that toilet. And it's been over a few hours now. And we think that the problem was that he could not push his body back out. Anyways, now we're gonna be able to help him. It was quite panicking, can you imagine? You hear the sound of a cat coming from the base of a toilet. And if you can see on the other side, this is how his body, I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to get that. Ashley, take the camera on the other side here and show how he's trapped in there.
Yeah, so he could get in through this side or through the
We're
bottom
gonna get
side.
you out, sweet pie.
Get some either
J'ai pas l'air
shampoo
blessé,
or
hein?
soap
Ça a l'air
or...
soft autour de ça?
Non, ça c'est coupant ici.
oui?
Ouais.
Il n'y a pas de sang ni rien, right? Okay. Okay, so next step.
Alright, so here's the kitten that we have stuck in the toilet. There's a little hole back here that he can't seem to get his head through, and we're a little bit scared of cracking the toilet because that might hurt him. The way that he's stuck back here, it's kind of an odd position. We've tried to.
He's just sitting. I mean.
Yeah, he is sitting. It was flipped the other way.
He's not choking or anything. Like it's just that we can't.
We've tried everything. We've tried lifting it up and working with gravity. We've tried moving his head different ways out, and it just won't come out. Any solutions would be greatly suggested. If you think that it might work with him sedated, just let me know. Thanks.
So the big ordeal is over. The kitten has been saved by the vet. A couple of minutes with lubricant, petroleum, some type of a petroleum jelly, a lubricant that they used. Of course, he was put down, put under. I mean. So after sedation, she kind of wiggled the skull a little bit through the hole with the lubricant. It came through. And today he seems okay. Everything seems alright with him. All the vital signs, the playful signs, everything. He's a good old kitten like he should be. A story that could have finished. At one point we were really scared when we when we started thinking that we would have to crack the toilet open because the bolts were seized in the floor. At one point, me and Ashley had tears. We really thought we were going to lose our baby. But all is good. Now, how do you name a cat that has been stuck in a toilet? Or a cat that puts his head where he shouldn't? Suggestions accepted. It's bad. Okay, so in conclusion of this whole story, Eric from Mountain Plumbing is here to reinstall that toilet, but I want to show the hole. This is the infamous hole. So you guys, if you have a toilet like that at home, you saw the model number in the video, make sure to either plug that or make sure to plug the back of the tank so no critters can get in there. It finishes well, but it could have been bad.